In this video, we will visit several locations on Penang Island, located in Malaysia, and we will start with Batu Ferringhi beach. It stretches for several kilometers along the northern coast of Penang Island. The name Batu Ferringhi means foreigner's rock, which shows that it has been attracting visitors from around the world for a long time. The beach is a long stretch of soft golden sand lined with palm trees and the gentle waves of the Andaman Sea. During the day, Batu Ferringhi is full of life, with locals and tourists enjoying the beach. The water is great for swimming, and the beach is also famous for its water sports. You can go parasailing, ride a jet ski, or have fun on a banana boat. When evening comes, the beach becomes a perfect place to watch beautiful sunsets, with the sky glowing in beautiful colors. Batu Ferringhi has a range of places to stay, from luxury resorts to budget-friendly hotels. Many of these places have amazing sea views and offer great facilities like swimming pools, spas, and easy access to the beach. Whether you are looking for a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a solo trip, Batu Ferringhi has something for everyone. Families will find lots of activities to keep everyone happy. Kids can build sand castles, ride horses along the beach, or visit nearby attractions like the Penang Butterfly Farm. The beach is safe for swimming, with calm waters in some areas and lifeguards on duty during busy times. Even though Batu Ferringhi is popular, it also has quiet spots for those who want a peaceful escape. These areas are great for reading a book, meditating, or just enjoying the beauty of the beach without the crowds. The mix of lively energy and peaceful moments makes Batu Ferringhi a perfect destination for all kinds of travelers. Another plus is that Batu Ferringhi is close to other attractions in Penang. It's just a short drive from Georgetown, the island's capital and the UNESCO World Heritage Site, known for its historic buildings, street art, and cultural mix. This makes it easy to explore Penang's rich history and culture during the day and return to the relaxing vibe of Batu Ferringhi in the evening. I have separate videos about Georgetown. You can check them using the links I left for you in the description of this video. Now let's take a walk in Bayan Lepas area, located in the southern part of Penang Island. It is known as the industrial heart of Penang, and it's often referred to as the Silicon Valley of the East due to its many technology companies and factories. Apartment houses and buildings in Bayan Lepas are a mix of modern and affordable options. Both locals and expats live here. This area has seen rapid development with many high-rise condominiums that offer such facilities like swimming pools, gyms, and 24-hour security. Some of these apartments have amazing views of the sea or the lush green hills. From the seaside, we can see the Penang Bridge, which is one of Malaysia's most iconic landmarks. It connects Penang Island to the mainland. Spanning 13.5 kilometers, it was the longest bridge in Southeast Asia when it was completed in 1985. This is Queen's Waterfront, which is a stylish and modern area in Bayan Lepas. This waterfront development has luxurious condominiums that offer beautiful views of the sea, making it a desirable place to live. There is a nice promenade along the water where people can enjoy walking, jogging, or just relaxing while taking in the scenic views. Penang International Airport is located nearby. The area is also known for its great recreational facilities, including a sports complex with swimming pools and a yacht club. Residents and visitors enjoy dining at the waterfront restaurants and cafes, which offer a variety of food and a peaceful atmosphere by the sea. Queen's Waterfront is located very close to Queensbay Mall. It's one of the largest shopping malls in Penang. The mall has over 400 stores and offers everything from fashion and electronics to books and groceries. But me and my friend came here for dinner. The mall has a large food court with local and international cuisine. It offers a diverse range of dining options to suit every taste and budget. It's a great place to explore different flavors and try local Malaysian food. Here you can try popular dishes like nasi lemak, which is rice cooked in coconut milk, served with sambal, egg and fried chicken, char kway teow, that is stirred fried noodles with prawns and eggs, and Penang laksa, a tangy fish-based noodle soup. Thank you. Thank you very much. For those who prefer international cuisine, Queensbay Mall has plenty of options. You can enjoy Japanese sushi and ramen, savory Italian pasta and pizza, or get Western-style steaks and burgers. I came here with my Indonesian friend from Couchsurfing, a free hospitality platform. She hosted me at her place and we explored some of the places in Penang together. Today we ordered some European food that tasted really nice. My Indonesian host was living in a modern and stylish condominium complex located in the Bayan Lepas area of Penang Island. Her apartment had a very beautiful view of the city and the Green Mountains. The complex had nice territory with swimming pools, a gym and a playground. A very nice place to live. They were disinfecting the territory against COVID-19, I guess. You can hear the noise. Though I was there in February 2024. Now we will visit Wednesday Night Market, located also in the Bayan Lepas area. This is Pantai Jerejak Night Market. It's open from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. on Wednesdays, and it's an interesting place to visit. In this market, you can find a variety of tropical fruits, vegetables, fish, chicken, and there are a lot of stalls selling delicious street food. Here you can find local Malaysian dishes and snacks. It's great to come here to try something new. Besides food, Pantai Jerejak night market also has stalls selling clothes, accessories and various household items at affordable prices. You can find trendy fashion items, handmade crafts and even gadgets and toys. It's a great place to shop for souvenirs or pick up unique items that you won't find in regular stores. The market has very lively atmosphere and friendly vibes. The market is not just about shopping and eating, it's also a social spot where people come to relax and enjoy the evening. You can see families and friends sitting together, chatting and enjoying their meals.
Which one you like?
Let's make it.
One and then
No.
one Oreo.
Oreo,
Yeah, blueberry and okay.
Please let me know in the comments below if it was interesting for you to explore these locations of the Penang Island, and let me know what you liked most about it. And I thank you for watching this video. I will really appreciate it if you support me with your like and subscription to my channel, and I'll see you in my next videos. Bye bye!
Okay.